This is the Power Sled. Not a hoverboard, not an e-scooter, but a beast of a fitness tool that promises to reshape how you train strength and conditioning. After a few intense sessions, though, I discovered something the ads don't really show. The Power Sled isn't just for pro athletes. It's terrifyingly effective for anyone who wants to level up their workouts. Power Sled product overview. So what exactly is the Power Sled? Essentially, it's a piece of resistance training equipment, a sled you push or pull, usually loaded with weight plates. Brands like Bull Rock Fitness, Recharge Fitness, and others make versions of it. Unlike traditional machines, a sled gives you friction-based resistance that scales with how much load you add. According to Equinox coach Brendan McGuigan, it's a simple but powerful way to build both strength and power, and it's been a favorite for athletes and gym goers alike. Power Sled performance. Okay, specs are cool, but how does it actually feel to use the Power Sled? In my week of testing, I loaded up Olympic plates. Yep, this thing supports serious weight, and I pushed it across turf, concrete, and even gym flooring. The resistance comes from the friction between the sled's base and the ground, so the heavier you load it, the tougher the workout. Pushing it felt brutally honest. There's no motor, no buffer, you're just you, your legs, and whatever plates you slapped on. It's the kind of exercise that forces you to recruit everything: quads, glutes, core, even your upper body when you're doing sprints or drag work. According to Equinox, you can even pair sled sprints with contrast training to boost power. One surprise, despite being heavy-duty steel, the sled glided surprisingly smoothly, especially on turf and rubber gym surfaces. And because there's no bouncing or jerky momentum, even loaded pushes feel very controlled. On recovery days, I went lighter, and it still felt challenging but manageable, exactly what a coach would recommend for consistent training. Features and tech. Let's break down the features that make this sled more than just a sled. Two-way design, push and pull. Many sleds let you push or pull. Some Power Sled models, like the one from Recharge Fitness, let you attach ropes or harnesses so you can do high-intensity pulling workouts, building posterior chain strength. Why it matters? It's a full-body tool. You're not just building leg power, you're working back, glutes, even upper body when you're rowing or pulling. Loadable weight horn. The sled has a central plate holder compatible with Olympic standard plates, around 50mm collars, so you can scale the resistance massively. Why it matters? You can go from light conditioning to brute force strength work just by changing the number of plates. That flexibility makes it usable across training phases. Premium construction. Built from heavy-duty steel, these sleds are durable and stable. For example, Bull Rock Sled weighs around 34 kilograms and has stainless steel skis to reduce friction and protect your floor. Why it matters? It feels solid, not like a toy. Plus, the skis help it glide without tearing up surfaces, so it's gym or turf friendly. Versatility in movement planes. As Equinox coach explains, you're not just pushing forward. You can drag the sled laterally or backward, training muscles that standard gym machines often miss. Design and build. Aesthetically, the Power Sled isn't exactly sleek. It's rugged, utilitarian, and built like a tank. But that's part of its appeal. The frame is powder-coated steel or thick sheet steel depending on the model, so it feels practically indestructible. Handles? Yeah, there are tall push poles. Some models even let you switch poles from the front to the back so you don't have to rotate the sled mid-workout. And the base has low-profile skis, some made of plastic or steel to reduce friction while protecting gym floors. One thing to call out, this sled isn't small. The Recharge Fitness version is about 101 centimeters long and weighs nearly 28 kilograms. Pros. Incredibly versatile. You can push, pull, drag, train in multiple planes. Scalable resistance supports Olympic plates for serious load. Durable, heavy-duty construction built to last. Smooth glide on different surfaces thanks to ski base. Cons. Bulky and needs a good amount of space. Loading and unloading heavy plates can be a hassle. Not cheap, quality sleds are a serious investment. Final verdict. Here's my take. If you're serious about strength training, conditioning, or athletic performance, the Power Sled is absolutely worth it. It's not just a gimmick. This is functional, high-intensity training gear that gives you real results. If you're a home gym lifter looking to build lower body power or a coach programming resisted sprints, this sled is a fantastic tool. Even for casual lifters, it's fun. Pushing or dragging a sled feels primal and satisfying in a way that squats or lunges don't always deliver. That said, if you're tight on space or working on a small budget, it might not be the right fit. And if you don't have enough free room to push or pull safely, the sled loses a lot of its value.